YouTubers, you may be wondering, how do you make it? You go in your account and press your channel. You go to home and press upload video. You click upload video, you press select file and choose any of the files. For example, I could just choose this one, file. This is supposed to be the first one, which I would put it like this. I would just do impact and you can make a photo step, or you can make a playlist. You can say if it's noise the kids or not. You press next. You go put that subtitles, that student, that yeah, second, then you choose disability. Put on subject, then you press subject. Go to opinion. Details, answers, elements, but if you go to details for that, look at that. Accurate picture, you press, you say it's second if it does work, and then that's how you make it. Bye.